Hello friends, once again very welcome to all of you. Uh, we have to see today TYBCS computer networking part first chapter data link layer. We know that data link layer is the number 2 layer in ISO OSM and TCP/IP model. In this chapter we have to going to study about design principles for the data link layer. It has few specific responsibilities that includes the framing, addressing, flow control, error control, and media access. Data link layer hides the detail of underlying hardware and represent itself to upper layer as a medium to communicate. There are the few functions of data link layer. First one is that there is a framing. Data link layer takes the packets from network layer and it encapsulates them into frame and it send again each frame bit by bit on the hardware. At receiver end, data link layer pickups signals from hardware and assembles them into the frames. Next function is the addressing. The data link layer provides two-layer hardware addressing mechanism. Hardware address is assumed to be unique on the link. It is encoded into hardware and the type of manufacturing. Next one is the synchronization. When data frames are sent to the link, both machines must be synchronized in order to transfer to take place. Then error control. Sometimes signal may have encounter problem with transition. The bits are flipped. These errors are detected and attempted to recover actual data bits. It also provides error reporting mechanism to the sender. Then the flow control stations on the same link may have different speed or capacity. Data link layer ensures flow control that enables both machine to exchange the data on the same speed. Next one is the multi-access. When host on the shared link tries to transfer data, it has high probability of collision. Data link layer provides the mechanisms such as CSMACD, that is carrier sense multiple access collision detection, to equip capability of accessing shared media among the multiple systems. There are the few services provided to the data link layer to the network layer. These are the types of services. Offer three types of services. First one is that unacknowledged connectionless service, as shown in figure. In this center machine send the frames to the destination machine without having destination machine acknowledged them. No logical connection is established here between sender and receiver. If frame is lost, no attempt is made to detect loss or recovery from data link layer. This unacknowledged. Next one is the acknowledged service. It is also no logical connection is used here, but each frame sent individually acknowledged. Sender notes each frame is reach safety or no. In case of an error, it can be sent again. This is used for unreliable channels such as wireless system. And third one is that unacknowledged connection oriented service. In it, here source and destination machines establish the connection before any data is transferred. Each frame sent in numbered and data link layer gives the guaranteed that each frame is sent is received. It also guarantees that each frame is received exactly once and all frames are uh, uh, retrieved received at the right order. Connection oriented services provides a reliable bit services. Connection oriented has three distinct phases. The connection is established when some initialization takes place, actual transmission of one and more frames, and the connection is released, freeing the variables, buffers, and other resources. Next is framing. Group of uh, physical layer bit stream into units, that is message, called as frames. Breaking the bit stream into frames is called as framing, as shown in figure. These framing methods are the character count with byte stuffing, starting and ending flags with bit stuffing, and physical layer coding violation. There are the few types of framing, that is the fixed size, variable size. In fixed size, frame size is fixed, there is no need to provide boundaries to the frame. In variable size, there is need to define end of frame as well as beginning of next frame to the distinguish. Here the length field and delimiter field. Here length field introduce the length of field in the frame to indicate the length of frame, and end delimiter we can introduce pattern to indicate end of frame used to take one ring. Then the framing methods are character byte stuffing. When frames consist of character, if data contains end delimiter, the byte is stuffed into the data differentiated from end delimiter. If data contains dollar anywhere, it can be encapsulated using the /o character. Then bit stuffing, here end delimiter is 0111, and if data is 0111, then sender stuffs bit break into the pattern, that is here appends 0 in data like 01101. Then error control mechanism, in here the two types of error control. Error detection involves the checking whether any error is occurred or not, and the number of error bits are that type of error does not matter. Error correction, here correction of error, here exact number of bits that has been corrupted and the location of corrected bits is found. Then the types of error, that is single bit error. In the received frame only one bit has been corrupted, that is either changed from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, it is the single bit error. There burst error, next one is burst error. In the received uh, received frame more than one consecutive bits are corrected, then it is called as burst error. Next is error detection techniques. For that there is a parity check, checksum, cyclic redundancy check. Then the error correction techniques: backward error connection, that is retransmission; forward error correction, stop and wait protocol; piggybacking, here the example of piggybacking. Then the common data link protocols are also given as DLs, that is synchronous data link protocol; higher level data link protocol, that is DLC; serial line interface protocol, that is sleep; point to point protocol, that is PPP; link control protocol, that is LCP; network control protocol, that is NCP. All these given in data link layer. Friends, in this way I hope that you have understand the overview of data link layer. Thank you so much.